Sunlight bends through the old blind slats. Dust dances slow where my shadow sat. A cup half full, thought half begun. This room hums low where the hours run. This is my quiet room, my steady tide. Walls that hold the world outside. No clocks, no chase, just space to glide. This is my quiet room where I confide. The light dips low, paints the walls in gray. Shadows stretch, but they don't stay. The air turns thick with the weight of calm. A muted tune, my evening song.